Ah, what a nice day. What should I do today? I'm gonna watch a movie. Thankfully, I've got Toy Story on DVD, and I'm gonna watch it. Don't watch it. What the? Who said that? It's me, your best friend, from the Mylo squad, Barry the dog. Barry, what are you doing here? Don't watch Toy Story. Why not? It's got a scary logo in it. Barry, what are you talking about? The THX logo. Oh no! I hope it's not the same THX logo that Red, McQueen watched. Well, who cares? I'm gonna watch it anyway, Barry. How bad can the THX logo possibly be, Barry? I don't know, Mylo. Find it for yourself. Here we go. No copyright infringement needed. Video belongs to Joshua the Nostalgic. Coming soon to theaters. Okay, Cars. Phew.
Hi, I'm John Lasseter.
Okay, we go interview with John Lasseter. Okay.
It's a very personal story.
Do you like John Lasseter, Barry? I do.
An auto dealership, and I work there every summer.
Well, I do.
Fantastic. And so I've got
We haven't seen him since Coco.
love cars, and I finally put my two passions together: cars and animation.
Aha! Here's our friend Mater and McQueen.
Cars are alive. Cars live and breathe and think.
They live and then they breathe. And they breathe.
It's a rich story where cars have restaurants, but they're gas stations. How about some organic
Whoa.
fruit juice? They have shoe stores,
cool.
but they're tire shops. And in this
Because
world,
cars
cars
are different than humans. And cats who are like this.
The story has 1 foot in auto racing. I'm faster than
Wow,
fast, quicker than
feet
quick.
are tired.
Lightning. And 1 foot in old Route 66.
Radiator Springs, the cutest little town in Carburetor County.
We got it. Is there a real Radiator Springs? I gotta look on Google Maps later.
Shiny cars. I have a precision instrument with speed and aerodynamics.
You hurt your what?
We've found this wonderful, rich world that is so believable and so cool. Yet it's inhabited only by cars.
Cool.
If you like metal,
I'd like to be a car.
flame jumps,
Earlier, Matthew told me to play with the cars and talk with them. After I lost matching games. Oh, Oklahoma City.
more news about our movie Cars when Toy Story 2
Okay,
Special Edition
Toy Story
DVD
2.
is released in December.
I should go tell Tom the tow truck to watch Toy Story 2 after
Road
this.
ahead.
Walt Disney Pictures
Walt Disney Pictures presents a
Pixar
Pixar
Animation
Animation
Studios
Studios film.
Cars.
June 9th, 2006. Okay. I'm ready. Coming soon to own on DVD and video. Huh. I wonder what movie it's gonna be. Okay, Toy Story 2. Okay, the movie's been rated G. Yep. Toy Story 2 is rated.
It is coming.
Golden Globe winner for Best Motion Picture.
Ooh.
The rare sequel that lives up to its predecessor.
2.
And on December 26th. Okay, I'm officially freaked out now. It will be released from the vault.
Yeah. Through infinity and beyond, a Buzz Lightyear.
Walt Disney Pictures presents a Pixar Animation Studios film, Toy Story 2, the special edition 2-disc DVD. What are we gonna do, Buzz? Use your head. But I don't want to use my head.
Very funny.
You can experience as never before.
DTS home theater mix.
No small actors, only small parts.
Hacking you your angry eyes, just in case.
Prepare yourself
All right, nobody look till I get my cork back in.
for revelations just discovered. You killed my father
Oh, he's breathing like Darth Vader.
and go where no toy has gone before.
Oh. Yeah, right, like the win. Ooh, 2.
He would.
Oh my god, it's scary.
Coming December 26th.
Jesus. I'm like, bruh. Cinderella. 2-disc special edition again. Oh my god. For the
You are
first
the
time in
only
10
ladies of the
years.
household, I hope, I presume. There's no one else, Your Grace.
Your Grace! Your Grace! Please, wait!
The beauty. The romance. Is that the same Cinderella preview that Red watched in the normal widescreen format? I'm scared. What is wrong, Chef? What's wrong, Izzy? Oh no! Mylo the cat has got Toy Story on DVD. But you love Toy Story. I know. But the THX logo is going to commence. Just like Remy said, the Super Truck with Red watch The Incredibles. Oh dear. Gotta run. Okay. October 4th, 2005 DVD. We made it to the menu.
And beyond.
To infinity and beyond. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna hit play. Yay! I'm excited! Woo! Hands up in the air. I'm excited for the movie. Tex, what are you doing here? Don't tell me you're gonna fix the logo with that Mucan. I am going to lose control if you do so. Don't plug it. Oh. Whoa. Oh my god. No. No. It's THX. Ah, it's so scary. Ah! Told you, Mylo. Thanks, Barry. The best sound, the best picture. You're not watching a THX certified feature. It's the THX logo. I mean, you're watching a THX certified feature. It might be over. Well, at least the scary part is. I hope there's another logo coming that's not THX. Because I bet there is. Yes, the THX logo is permanently over. Alright guys, I'm gonna watch Toy Story right now. See you tomorrow for an episode of Angry Birds plush. Bye.